Hello everyone. So in this video we will see how we can access the course. So in case if you have already purchased the course and you want to access the course later on, so this video is for you. So first you need to log in. Click on this login, and after that use the registered mail ID. So I'm entering my details. And after the successful login, I need to click on this My Courses tab, and this will showcase all the courses that I have purchased or enrolled in for. So you just need to click on that and it will redirect you to the LMS. Now from here you can access all the contents that you want, videos, the reference files or the quiz or the assignments, and on the left you have this navigation bar through which you can actually navigate to any particular section you want. So this is how you can access the course from the website. In case if you face any issues while accessing the course, you can get back to our team and our team will help you out. Thank you.